My name is Niall Strawson and I am an assistant producer. I'm currently working on a project called Attenborough and the Giant Sea Monster, or Jurassic Sea Monster. And we have been coming down to Dorset with David. Well, actually we've been all over with David, to be honest. So it's a journey for David from a discovery that was made just around the corner here. Basically, a lump of rock fell out of a cliff and they thought this looks a bit strange. And all the experts here, so Steve and his team, have been going over the rock, looking at it, figuring out what it is, and it turns out it's the snout of a pliosaur. And then they went and dug it out of the cliff during all sorts of bonkers, like ropes, rain, heat wave. It was a bit mad. And then they've managed to extract the entire skull, and we've been learning with Steve and some experts from around the UK what this fossil can tell us about pliosaurs. Well, an assistant producer is a sort of a role whereby you have to be good at lots of different things. So it could be finding stories, finding scientists. It could be doing research about paleontology in this instance. It could be helping with scripting. It could be setting up shoots, organising all sorts of things like VFX we've been doing as well. So working through storyboards and I organised an underwater shoot where we're going to have our VFX pliosaur swimming. It's just, every day is kind of different and you have to be really good at different skills. So sometimes it's people, sometimes it's process. But it's always good fun and it's always a little bit mad, which I kind of enjoy. This is quite a good one in a way, because it's so nice to film in the UK, because we film all over the world. And it's been nice to film in the UK and actually like stop and see how amazing it is, both in terms of, well, we have like amazing paleontological finds here, which I wasn't fully across. So I've been learning a lot myself, actually. I've really enjoyed that aspect. Also filming with David Attenborough is like a major treat. Despite his, we know his voice so well, but it's very rare to actually sit down and work with him. So getting to know David has been great. And also getting to know Steve and his team and everybody, all the sort of fossil experts that are down here. I didn't realise it was such a tight-knit community of experts that all kind of are like one big helpful organisation, especially for somebody like me who doesn't know oodles about paleontology. And I've just enjoyed sort of exploring the local area really and getting to know Dorset and the Jurassic Coast a bit better.